Sringa diski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi sringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme.
What's up, football lovers? I'm your host, Biri. Welcome back to Serenga Ngediski. Please comment below and let us know your prediction for the new PSL season. This is Serenga Ngediski. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video. Please, Bafete Sankela, do that, because when we check on our watch time from our subscribers for the last 28 days, Bafete, people who are checking our show who not subscribed, we have 92.6% of abantu ababheki show they don't subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. And we have abantu abasubscribile checking the show, it's 7.4. Please Bafetu, let's just make sure that at least at the end of this year, Bafetu shang 100% ya wonke umuntu subscribile. Bafetu, it's free to subscribe, it doesn't cost you money. You just click that subscribe button, Bafetu.
Sanibonani nonke balandeli beSeringa Ngediski. Dumelang kaofela balandeli ba Seringa Ngediski. Dimashelo ninote batebeleli ba Seringa Ngediski. Re shele inkwelu balandzeli ba Seringa Ngediski.
Yeah, Chief man, without wasting any time. How was the game, Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns?
Hey, what a game. First time in my life to sit and watch Chiefs playing the 90 minutes. I don't even watch them playing. I only watch Pirates, like I've told you before. But they played very well. It's only that last minutes, and I don't know what is happening with my player, my goalkeeper, my favorite. What happened? Checking from the side, Golden Arrows goal, giving them a win. Came equalizer of Sundowns, giving them a win. One, he had an advantage of his height. Two, he's got his hands to use to can grab the ball from air. Instead, he gave this boy a chance to jump over him and knock the ball to the pole, to the net.
But they are coming nice.
No, the bayatla. Bayam Mamela Tatuna, Lea Sabu Street, they are interpretelwa. The assistant coach here, High, Batla Bashimani, by Cherry Rhythm, of their first opening games, they are doing very well, except Darbayang BP top 8, Barking MTN top 8 Kamontle, Regari Sebe player Bashiman, Batala, they are committed there. Fela Kili Zulu, Lele Rahang Batu, Lela ZCC, Barenki, Givano Vano Katela Batu, which is so we are Pirates. Now we'll be Catalum Fuking the 10 Pirates and the Chiefs. It's like a swing, you know, we are more so. Totally men of the match, maybe General. Yeah, you know, the Mubute Kayena, Nadala Pirates or Kimang, Unaliseni Mazulu, Rahabatu, Limatabatu Fanoli. Marano Zadila until this time. Lea created a goal, Lea Chiefs. He played very well. Yeah, so the coach, the players are getting to the coach's instructions. Bamutsweri, they are coming all right. And I'm impressed with the overall play of Kaizer Chiefs.
All right. So game ya paga rona we bone le jwa.
I saw dlala ibhola eri Pirates. I saw dlala ibhola eri tlwaetseng Pirates. Iyadlala. I won't blame the coach because wa change. Una le ba bantšha ba tshwantse ba joine club ba tshware rhythm ya rona. Although yena o etsa diphoso tsa hae and we were alive or favor mang. You don't do that as a coach. Have your favorite player in your heart. Don't show us that this is your favorite player. You don't do that like our coach is doing.
Kampala o ke mang?
Mbutuma.
Eish.
Umuratampi on Saturday before our game. When you walk around here in Shawela, let me just say Shawela, West Day. You know, when people are talking about Pirates, if you put Mbutuma's name, people change, even their faces changes, or it's costing the team. And I don't know, the technical team can't see that. Nah, Yena is doing everything. We once had Bogabuza at Pirates. They were running, pushing, doing everything, but they'll make us win the games. So, you know, Plasari Palo, push about to, at the end of the day, I ain't trying anything for club.
Direct goal we message one.
Peter. And then I got a polo like Salamiti. A pick a sport a pump says or shapenet. You know, but it's an interesting at Ali one can go on and then never win. And do Pirates out jack in Kanakwao, Kyolum Fuki, Mutamaid, Nankanakwam Shimanoli, Azala Pola Satata.
So we won to Antony Kimamukubuti.
No, the boys coming. The boys coming, and I don't know, but with my view, Baba Tumeta Mufuki Waruna Fanoli. Baba Tumeta Mufuki Waruna. Una leader in Ufelis, Nali Plaka boy. And he's going to make things happen for Orlando Pirates. Come end of this season, Utamona.
Calibre Chief, I don't have much to say. I think by the 30th this month, Kiboni event in Jivar and Karbar Ivai Tagada, so PAC Batawala for King 4 on 4, 5 on 5. So one send it to post the Kaibarko Pew Grounds.
Oh, Pirimo.
Yeah, let's hope if on our game on Sunday, Rekasha episode that's about for Ilya Boy.
No, sister, I can't tell you what Valley. This thing is more development. You understand?
Yeah.
Because how about now, Rimushaya, Alonka TV, I am TV, I am smart TV, I have a press or tolerada. Wahutala lien. Even if Nana Likelele Yankwa, how about Antelium Hutata Wahuta, Wafokasa with Antebatliang to a right?
Calibre Chief.
Sure.
Yes,
Ergau fell.
Baipegi from Soweto Blankets. Soweto Blankets. Baipegi ngiyazi abanye bathi ngubo njengawo uthi ngubo babang bari ke kubo. Baipegi from Soweto Blankets. Baipegi sinje masithanda sithi support udadi. Sikulethela ama-import wengubo. Baipegi ulale kamnandi.
Soweto blankets, Soweto blankets. Baipegi, niyazi abanye bathi ingubo njengawe, uthi ingubo. Babang bareke kubo.
Sithi support udadi.
Baipegi, from Soweto blankets. Baipegi, Baipegi, ulale kamnandi.
Sikulethela ama-import wengubo. Baipegi ulale kamnandi. From Soweto Blankets.
All about fair too. This is a G General. 10 mashume shume. Mpatuluwa. This is Serenga ngediski. Sesibuyile futhi namhlanje for game andulile we weekend. All up here, all about fair too. It's yeah, sure.
Yeah, manage. I get the man better. Rekalake go water. We will have something more gaming. Banyana.
Yeah, Rabon more Nintendo. I can't show the game as a whole. I only watched the highlights.
Or check the highlights.
Yeah, I only look for the highlights.
So more the highlight. More back committing. King penalty. A handball.
Yeah, I did see that.
Ona didn't so na because usually nane ke tshetseng okay sharp ke bone game
Yeah,
so ka bona ra batho bana ba commit a penalty and then nakone sampane le pae
sure.
if a no na le di engwe ne le party Nigeria nga be khutlile e le 2-2 maybe ka bo sewe go extra time le di penalty.
Yeah, it would have been like that, but oh well, it is what it is. Re lebohela fela the comeback that they gave us, which is now we're looking forward to go ba bone bo kwa November go ba tlela ka eng kwa go di playoffs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Then abana le game ya makhosi man game ya makhosi ke efe we boning la tura ba tale ka efe ya draw ba suke efe
Yeah, le khosi ke o de tlo qalang ka yona pele.
yeah
Le Diding le Sundowns.
yeah
I wanna game and now say we kinda gave away the game. Because of according to the we were supposed to just win the game. How I check the comments the coach Cardoso from Sundowns. He spoke about the key players. Most of them they're injured. But now because of now, he's still trying to solidate the team, got the young players, look at the new signings. Taken in no. Which is now the one that they're giving out their best. I'm so impressed with Antonio Langelise Peel. If you remember I spoke about him, the new signing. He gave us a goal.
yeah and Mr. Mzerwana bua ka Antonio re ke manyereng a re ya Kapa
Which one?
Ndlovu ke Ndlovu
Or Ox. In love.
ke Ndlovu o dala mo
Mahare.
yeah
O bile man of the match.
yeah
In love.
wala Mzerwana
Kahlela abanye abantwana.
wa Kapa
Mara ke gale re bua ka Ndlovu sha seta gale re bua eo. It's either sala motho go sala bolo.
yeah so definitely when now bona di zogala jwang cause most of team tsena le di
Yeah.
kenya ke di new players
Yeah, most.
yeah so the new players tse o di bona grand le di tla jwang di performa jwang
So far the performance is good, it's promising.
then mo Kaizer Chiefs ke bone le ngamlalena ba re ke mang Chiefs next
Chislete vele na ke motho le go vele gale. He's been giving whenever I get a chance to offer something.
yeah and that guy man he knows football
Abhluk. I think maybe the cruise lena santana matlela some sort of a combination. Santana matla ba tlo gona go mokadi disc because what cover disking you can be good, but if distribution is not there, there's nothing you can do.
so there's a big promise or Kaizer Chiefs gets a big change
Yeah,
this
there
year
is.
when looking.
I believe in this new coach. I come ka fela chance. Season ye phela ke wafa. It's like wafa. M10 8 ya galo pola ba wafa.
yeah
Season ya betwe ke wafa. Wa bona team ka fela shebele Stellenbosch. O se bone Stellenbosch e setsa.
ke shebilong amazulu
O bone bo amazulu wa mona tazwane o tla ka eng. So no ha ona go team ke big team e mnate ka eng. No ke challenge. Ke sangena sa phuma phansi phezulu.
yeah
Wa bona go no ga fluctuate da go dimo da go la ding ko loko. I don't know Sundowns can take it. I don't know Pirates can take it. I don't know Chiefs can take it. Now it's still early.
I know
Now
that
it's still early, very very early.
it's still early.
Yeah, only if whatever the team at dulang ka odimo, it should make it up a point to right drop by effort.
Yeah, so when I'm gaming on a Chiefs the Sundowns, you mambo when they need to improve or go mambo about intensity.
I'll go ka the impressions.
Yeah.
Love was so impressive. It's a hard work. Though vele lo la disk le abo itida sala motho go sala disk. Ke impressed ka Langelihle who scored the goal. Ke impressed ka Mabuwe. Yeah, go Kaizer Chiefs. And then kada go Sundowns, so I won't say much. I'm still looking for something until Santane Cardoso I pair. So Santane until le ena selfly besides the key players who are injured. Ona Santane abatlang we bona from these new signings. Tsetla. Yeah.
Then coming to Kenya, Mapagani, Mapagati.
Hey. I'm more bua ka team one.
Okay, before what Baba Shaka segment,
Yeah.
first half it was not nice.
It was not impressive. A re tlo sheba game le ha iqala. The opponents were more giving more than Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
There was a big challenge. Most of the checkers at the last belly king go right flanking eye. Na compete Lintonel number 7 kimang fair what.
Oh
Yeah. He was giving that boy a Namka challenge. If you saw the combinations coming from that side, I was expecting a team level 2-3 goals first half. Pirates ke be say punches. But then they went 0-0. Second half ke mo Pirates gutlang ka matla he.
And le rona first half go nyeke mama Mesa wa rona o.
Mbuthum.
E bona o Messi ja.
But The problem about Mbutu Mwana gets begin. He gets chances, he misses them. Or maybe I had to place or give him to last ship polo what of Bulai and Angela to polo what shot a shot.
And our check,
Yeah.
Now you take a check. What if you took training?
Yeah.
Present.
Sure. I feel
I
like gaming whatever he's giving go training. It's possible it happens. The template also let's go training ube mnati. Game my feet probably if you can analyze it according to the coach Bona Pirates.
Yeah.
Ka Mbutu. O tla tshela go ntwana na le technique which he does have.
Yeah.
Yes. He's doing well with the team really according to him. But as supporters, what he sees is not what we see. Because he's not giving what the nation is looking up to. Our guy for goal as defense. Yeah.
By the way, pick up a background sound. Yeah, or a coach, Adam Fanonaliski.
Oh yeah, he's one of the good players. Santanatlo is Spanish, Antonel. However, we comment or say, oh yeah, he has hope for Ntona Elo, understand. So, what I want to konse yo okay, but na konse yo na ke bona ka Ntona le tshwantse be fatsanyana. It will some competition yana. It lo ngaba ikeng. Lena lo fight back for in the first 11.
Then, Oranka Mukodi and again, this new player, then what Pirates.
Oh yeah. No, he's a good player. He still needs chance yana lena ba mo dladisa. Yeah, I know the system ya Pirates. Yeah, they're good players. I wanna learn better. Because even before the Kemak scheme, I was sitting with some people. They were like, "Will they be able to do the combination of dancing and limbata? Will it gel along the air mukodina? Karambata, whether in or not, I believe on tonally dancing highly. I swear whoever otlabangalalen, otlokonomukaya that instruction. Aside waiting from the senior player, which is Mbata. Some rutile a few, and then as I won okay, man can read so, which it gave out an outstanding performance from both players.
All right.
Yeah.
I have nothing to say, or you have something that you want to add on, Jenna?
Aye, nothing much to say. Nothing much to say.
Like a show till we meet again.
Till we meet again, Bafetu. Let's like, subscribe, comment. Singasabu kuluma Bafetu, however we feel as fans, as supporters, Bafetu. Onkumuntu is allowed to say however they see they see the games how they play. Asiva le Bafetu tue. With us. Away.
swipe on ale 80 rand tar shota ka diaper ai why ninyan fanda khoro jaipa hey style ya re shata makaifa ka di one highlight intile o jaipa na homo na dc twara card 5 rand change hela lose draw say fully 80 I'm too funny ha ke take go sharpa o bale ya machoni sa ke tlo trapa ko khate minwa na ko nkele di sofa sister Bettina honte be ke le sofa ko lata la o shwele bafuma ko khamisa ka mitsa bathroom o tlo yintsha chelete bathungu ko bontshe movango bafoyi sister awle tungana zokale nomngani hayi umbali gestir bing phetumbala zokale nomngani badla mazambani ina jwala rikutsa highway nana bana betsa highway nkasaka ketepa highway ngidja tete ya sasa highway ina jwala rikutsa highway bona bana betsa highway nkasaka ketepa highway makhabe re be ka mo fire rona re di kotokoto ra sa fela ka di champur yena a go batla minister of everything someone like Mbalula ke di six pack mabotlolo how tabe wanda re wena desha ka grandpa and go kitla otherwise ke tlo chisa mpepho ke ho bonse your grandma sister awulethu umngane azokale nomngane hayi umbali gestir bengiphethe umbali azokale nomngane badla amazambane enajala rikutha highway bona bana betsa highway ngasaka kete
Hayi fela, what?
ngijathe yasas highway enajala rikutha highway bona bana betsa ngasaka kete
Ke chido cara. Ai, I forgot this. We should give it a clip of it. It's a mistake. All right.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlalile diski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yiwungikijane laba.
Superstar, message this.